Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your error if you're having any when you're opening Roblox. So right now if I try to open my Roblox, it's going to show me an error option and it'll not open up. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is first you want to search for Roblox over here on your PC. Once you search for it, it'll appear over here. Now right click on it. Once you right click on it, it's going to show you open file location. Click on open file location. Once you do that, it's going to take you to Roblox file location. Over here, you're going to see Roblox player. What you need to do is right click on Roblox player and click on where it says properties. Now from inside properties, what you need to do is go in the section called general. Now from inside general where it says Roblox player, just change Roblox player into Roblox player 1. Once you do that, what you need to do is go on this compatibility section. From inside compatibility section, make sure this run this program in a compatible mode is on. Once this is on, over here where it says reduce color mode, make sure this is on as well. And once this is on, the last option where it says register this program for restart, click on it. Once you have tick marked all these three boxes, what you can do is click on apply and click on OK. Once you do that, just close your device and restart your PC again. Just click on your Windows icon, click on power, click on restart. Once your PC restarts, open Roblox, it should start working. So that's how you guys can fix this issue. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.